I am here with you to explain the oxidation reaction in our daily life. Corrosion and rancidity is the common oxidation process in our daily life. At first, I will describe corrosion. In corrosion, metal surface is tarnished or eating up by slow oxidation. So we define corrosion as the slow eating up of metal surface in presence of air, water or acid due to the formation of metal compounds such as metallic oxides, metallic hydroxide, metal carbonates on the surface of metal is called corrosion. It is slow oxidation caused by moist air containing oxygen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide. There are various examples of corrosion. The most common example of corrosion in iron metal. And in iron metal, corrosion is known as rusting of iron. When we expose iron for long time in air, it combines with oxygen and water and forms hydrated ferric oxide on the surface of iron metal, and this hydrated ferric oxide is known as rust. So we define rusting as the slow conversion of iron into its hydrated ferric oxide in the presence of moist air is called rusting. And rusting, the iron objects is damaged and the water molecule attached here is not fixed. So rusting is a big problem in our daily life. Every year, millions of dollars of damage are caused to buildings, vehicles and other iron and steel products. So, for prevention of rusting, there are various processes: oiling, greasing, galvanization, and in second example, corrosion of copper. Copper metal also tarnishes due to corrosion. When copper metal is exposed in air, it reacts with air or it reacts with oxygen, water and carbon dioxide and form a green colored hydrated copper carbonate or basic copper carbonate on the surface of copper metal. And third example is in silver. In silver metal, when exposed in air, a blackish tint is observed on the surface of silver. Silver metal doesn't react with oxygen and water, but it reacts with hydrogen sulfide which causes silver to develop a black coating. The black color is annoying, but it can be removed by polishing the silver. But in the aluminium metal, corrosion is an advantage because it protects aluminium for further corrosion. So what can we prevent? What can we do to prevent corrosion? Preventing the surface of metal to come in contact with moist air. Painting, coating with plastic, enameling, greasing, electroplating with non-corroding metals like nickel, chromium, and coating with anti-rust solution is the most common method to prevent the corrosion. Rancidity is another oxidation process in our daily life. In rancidity, the oil and fat containing food is oxidized. So the slow oxidation of oil and fats present in food material resulting in bad odor and taste of food is called rancidity. To protect the food from rancidity, we use some antioxidants like nitrogen gas or chemicals to prevent the food from rancidity. So first is adding antioxidants. Compounds that prevent packaged processed food from becoming rancid due to oxidation of fats and oils which form harmful free radicals, for example BHA and BHT. Another example is packing of N2 gas. The packed food is surrounded by the nitrogen gas after flushing out oxygen to prevent oxidation and retard rancidity. The low temperature in the refrigerator also slows down the oxidation, retarding rancidity. Storing in airtight container is another method to prevent the food from rancidity. An airtight container offers little exposure to oxygen and thus slows down rancidity. If we store food away from light, it also slows oxidation and retards rancidity. Therefore, absence of light slows down oxidation of fats and oils and retards rancidity. At last, I have given some homework. You do it. Thank you.
हो गया।